go!
So ito bags,
Manahin nyo ako.
amo sang gi-excite ang amo ang ayun sa bags. Amo sang gi-excite ang amo ang alternator para mokarga siya og kuryente, voltahe sir. Okay?
Okay.
Yan na. Balik ka. 1 minute pa, 1 minute. 1 minute of excitation.
Gani araw mo na 1 minute.
Dalian kay zero.
After ma-excite ang alternator, we test it if it will provide voltage output, and it turns out that the voltage output will range about 0.1 to 0.6 volt. It is because of the flow rate of the water supply. The flow rate of the water supply is about 0.003 or 3 liters per second, and our system will need at least 0.1385 cubic meter per second or hours or 138.5 liters per second. So the main concern is the water supply flow rate.